how's it going? Figured I'd make another quick video. So I recently just bought a used Logitech G920 and the shifter for 150 bucks off Facebook Marketplace, and then I bought Asetto Corsa and Content Manager, and I've been messing around with drifting on there, but I didn't like using the the paddle shifters as handbrake, so I made one for, it cost me $10 just because I had some of the stuff. It might, the most it should cost you is like 20 bucks at the most, but I'll show you the current setup. The G920, the pedals, the Asetto Corsa. So this is the handbrake. It's super ugly currently, but I'm gonna make another one. This took me 10 minutes to make. Took me 10 minutes, and basically all it is just a wood shell. Drill the hole, had this PVC pipe, drill the hole through there, put the screw and the nut on it. This is like a headband that I just had laying around, and it just keeps it springing back. And then I've got a little screw to hold it in place, these two to hold it together. I've got this switch here is the brake switch that goes on the brake pedal to say when the brake pedal is pushed. So I took this one off of a Saab. There's two switches on the Saab, so I guess this one does the opposite, and it lets power go through when you push it, and then the other ones normally, when it's pushed out, there's no power, or something like that. I don't remember how it works, but basically it's just a button with two wires on it. And then this guy is this zero delay arcade USB encoder joystick. It's basically like, so you can make your own joystick controller, or like for like a DIY arcade game, like a Raspberry Pi or whatever. People use it for like running emulators, making their own things. But and then I have it C-clamped to the desk because I didn't really want to do all this stuff, make it look really nice for it just to not work. Because I got this idea from some kid on YouTube. I'll try to find a video to plug him on it in the description, and I'll link this thing in the description. But I just wanted to make a quick video to show like how simple it was, because I wanted a handbrake, but I didn't want to buy one of the ones that was already made for like $150, and I didn't want to go buy like a hydro. I'm gonna make another rendition of this because now I know that it works, and it probably this weekend when I have more time, I'm going to make another version. And it's got this thing has all these different plugs on it, and it comes with all of these wires, so you can run whatever you want. And then it's got one long USB that plugs into the computer. So I'll try to show you now that it works. This is a coupe that had, I don't know, I downloaded it from some mod. I'll try to stay out of the way the best I can. And just keep in mind, I suck at driving still, so don't expect some crazy shit. Too slow. Anyway, so that's a bunch of chopped up footage of me being really shitty at Asetto Corsa so far. Definitely made tons of progress. Yeah, I am digging the handbrake thing. I'm going to try to make another one that doesn't look like total shit. Probably still going to use PVC. Probably will use all the same hardware, but we'll paint everything and make it look nice and probably put a grip on it and have the switch secured in another way that's not just a rubber bands on a piece of wood that's C-clamped to the desk. So I'll make an update video on that probably Saturday, because I'm going to work on the RX-7 a little bit and try to make another video. I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably take off the whale tail, clear out the drain holes because I think they're holding water, and pull a bunch of garbage out of the inside, and then hopefully get that other front hub and spindle and strut off. So keep an eye out for that this coming weekend, and an update on the handbrake. So hopefully that'll be done this weekend and I can rip on it, because this one I don't know if you, I'm trying not to pull on it really hard because it's pretty much held together with fucking screws on wood that's cracked and whatever. I'll make it better and I'll make it nice. But this was super cheap, so if you need something that's super cheap, this whole thing I had the stuff laying around, the PVC pipe I had laying around. You could use almost anything that you could drill a hole through, though. That switch, they might even not charge you for at the junkyard. It's a brake switch, brake pedal switch. Might be $2. I have a lot of them, so it was easy, but it's cool. So stay tuned for more dumb shit.